Alright, that's 2 full coats. I'm going to let it flash. I may spray it down with another, but it looks pretty good. Had some problems with my Vilbliss primer gun. It just wouldn't spray this out no matter what. I was futzing with the settings. I know it worked when I sprayed underneath the undercarriage. I have no idea what the hell's going on, so I swapped to my really cheapo Harbor Freight Central Pneumatic $20 spray gun, and it laid it out really good. The only problem is the cap leaks. There's just I don't know what's wrong with it. You can see right there. The cap leaks, so it drips out of the top. Even when it's upright, it still drips out of the top. I don't know what's wrong with it. It's just like a cheapo gun, I guess. But I'm gonna let that flash off and see if it looks good. It doesn't matter if it's got drips or spots. It's gonna get top coated with some type of sound deadening heat layer insulation, and then it's going to be top coated on top of that with a splatter paint coat, right? So that's kind of why I taped off just at the seam all the way around. I'm not going to be, I'll be painting these body colors just so it matches the rest of it, or whatever the underside of the trunk lid is. I don't know if it's going to be a flat black or body color. I have no clue. I'll figure that out when I get to it. But let's see here. Looks pretty good. I'm very happy with that. So don't want to touch the camera with paint, but you can see looks really good. So nice short sweet video, guys. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.